Jury selection begins today in a case involving a deadly police-involved shooting.
It happened the day after Christmas in 2015 when the officer responded to a domestic disturbance call. CBS 2's Lauren Victor joins us now with more on what we can expect in court. Lauren, thanks for being here.
Thank you, Aaron and Marissa. The thing most people are paying attention to is if jury selection wraps up this afternoon, or at least when it does, the lock will be lifted on sealed depositions given by Mayor Rahm Emanuel and Chicago Police Superintendent Eddie Johnson. Their sworn testimony is all part of a wrongful death lawsuit filed by the family of Quintonio LeGrier. He and his 55-year-old neighbor, Betty Jones, were shot and killed by Officer Robert Rialmo in 2015. The contentious police-involved shooting stemmed from a domestic disturbance call on the 4700 block of West Erie. Officer Rialmo says LeGrier was swinging a baseball bat at him, so he fired, killing the 19-year-old. Another bullet hit and killed Jones. She was standing behind the teen. Now, the city and Jones family settled for $16 million last week, pending city council approval. LeGrier's lawsuit is expected to head to trial on Monday. Rialmo's attorney will argue that the officer was acting in self-defense. Superintendent Eddie Johnson has also said Rialmo was forced to fire. His soon-to-be-made public deposition reportedly focused on the Civilian Office of Police Accountability's ruling that Rialmo's actions were unjustified. That agency recommends Rialmo be fired, something the Chicago Police Board will have the final say on. Now, Mayor Rahm Emanuel's deposition likely involved questions about COPA's ruling, conversations with the LeGrier and Jones families, and previous statements made by the mayor about a Chicago Police Department code of silence. Rialmo is countersuing the city. He claims he was not properly trained. His lawyers also say the officer is emotionally traumatized by the shooting and filed a claim against the LeGrier estate. So lots to pay attention to, Aaron and Marissa.
And I think there's some talk that maybe there's, some behind-the-scenes stuff happening too, that maybe this won't even go to trial, maybe settled.
They certainly could settle, and then we won't see those depositions.
Oh, interesting. Okay, Lauren, thank you.